Hello everyone, welcome back to Rosewood Mountain Academy. Welcome back to your channel. I know it's been too long, I have not posted any video and I have not given you any of the content, but from today, now onwards, I'll be giving you content regularly so that you guys can learn easily and very fastly. So, today we're gonna do about myself, yourself, and themselves. These are the three words which we're going to see the correct use of these words. So, let me show you some examples. As you can see on the top of the screen, it is written George cut himself when he was shaving in the morning. Means what? The thing which is done by myself only, or the person who is doing. Myself is what? Something I'm doing myself, जो मैं खुद कर रही हूँ. Yourself is what? Telling someone, doing that he is doing this thing, that thing. Himself, not yourself. That is what? Same. So we use myself, yourself, themselves. These are reflexive pronouns, right? When subject and object are the same. Myself, yourself, and himself are the reflexive pronoun, and we use these when the subject and object are same. जहाँ पे भी सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट सेम होगा वहाँ पर हम ये यूज़ करेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने बोला जॉर्ज काट हिमसेल्फ, तो इसमें हमारा सब्जेक्ट इज जॉर्ज एंड हिमसेल्फ इज हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट. तो जॉर्ज काट हिमसेल्फ, सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट आर सेम, दैट इज वाई वी हैव यूज्ड हिमसेल्फ. Right, next if I talk about the reflexive pronouns, what are the reflexive pronouns? If I talk about singular and plural, तो singular if I say myself, ठीक है, that is yourself, one person we are saying. Himself, herself, itself, right? Myself is for me, yourself is for one person, himself is for the other one, herself is for the other one, itself is for the other one. राइट, ये तो थे हमारे सिंगुलर वाले. सिंगुलर में हम कैसे रिलेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस को यूज़ करते हैं. अब इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट प्लूरल, प्लूरल्स में आर सेल्फ्स, योर सेल्फ्स, दैट इज मोर दैन वन. योर सेल्फ इज वॉट? मोर दैन वन. एंड देम सेल्फ्स, because when we talk about a single person, it would be me or someone else. So I'll say myself, yourself, himself, herself, and itself. But if I talk about more than one, so I will say ourselves, yourselves, that is more than one, and themselves, right? So let me show you some examples, or let me tell you some examples. As you can see on the screen, it's written over there. I don't want you to pay for me. I'll pay for myself. So what I said, I don't want you to pay for me. I'll pay for myself. You cannot say I'll pay for me. हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते I'll pay for me. ये सेंटेंस जो है रॉन्ग हो जाता है. And mostly I have seen people saying that I'll pay for me, I'll pay for me, I'll pay for me. No, this is wrong. From today onwards, you'll not say like this, because I've seen many of you saying I'll pay for me, I'll do for me. No, I'll pay for myself, I'll do for myself. This is how we have to use this. Like Julia had a great holiday. She enjoyed herself very much. Right? This can be the next example. Now next, if you see, it's written, do you sometimes talk to yourself? Now a question mark, that is, this is an interrogative sentence. We are asking a question, right? We are asking something said to one person. We are saying to someone, what? Do you sometimes talk to yourself? We are asking something, right? So you and yourself. If you want more to eat, help yourselves. Said to more than one people. ये हमने एक से ज़्यादा को बोला है. Now let's compare these. It's not our fault. You can't blame us. Now you cannot say, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बोला, it's नॉट आवर फॉल्ट, ये हमारी गलती नहीं है. यू कांट ब्लेम अस, आप हमको ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हो. तो यू कैन नॉट से यू कांट ब्लेम वी, नो, और यू कांट ब्लेम मी, नो, you cannot say. So you have to say it's not our fault, you can't blame us. Next, it's our own fault, we blame ourselves. The next sentence, we are accepting that yes, it is our fault, we blame ourselves, not we blame us. You cannot say we blame us. Correct? So hope you got the difference between the both. Now, note that we do not use myself, yourselves after bring, take, something with. So, this is a quite short notice that we do not use myself, yourself like this with what? Bring, take, something, or with. Correct? This is a thing we have to keep in mind. Like, it might rain, I'll take an umbrella with him. Now, मैंने क्या बोला? It might be rain. It might rain. शायद बारिश हो सकती है. I'll take an umbrella with me. So I said with me. I cannot say with myself. I cannot say because here we are talking about umbrella and it is written with. So few minutes back I told you that we cannot use myself, yourself with bring, take and with. Bring, take and with are the three words, right, with which you cannot use myself and yourself, right? Okay, let's move to next thing which you should note. We do not use myself after concentrate या feel या relax या meet. इनके बाद भी we do not use myself. Like, let's see, you must try and concentrate, not concentrate yourself. You cannot say. I don't know you guys have heard or not. I hope you have heard people saying that concentrate on yourself, concentrate yourself. No, you cannot say. You must try and concentrate. That's what हमें पता है कि हम उसी पर्सन को कह रहे हैं. सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है आगे yourself लगाने की. ठीक है? So then let's see the next example. Do you feel nervous? Yes, I can't relax. ठीक है? So same thing. Do you feel nervous? Yes, I can't relax. Next we have, what time shall we meet? Right, this is correct. What time shall we meet? But you cannot say meet ourselves or meet us. You cannot say. You cannot say meet ourselves or meet us. You have to say what time shall we meet, and that is enough. Okay? The next thing is we normally use wash, shave, dress without myself. If you guys have noticed ever. So, you know what? We use wash, shave, dress. These are the words which we use without myself. I don't know if you have noticed or not. I have noticed it. Like we say, he got up, washed, shaved and dressed. You have not heard shaved myself, washed myself, dressed myself. कोई ऐसे तो नहीं कहता मैंने खुद को ड्रेस कर लिया, मैंने खुद को शेव कर लिया, मैंने खुद को वॉश. नहीं. तो simply what we say is he got up, washed, shaved and dressed. You cannot say washed himself, myself or what. But we can say I dried myself. You can say dried. Okay. So now the next is the difference. I'm going to tell you the difference between selves and each other. Some common difference which micro difference which you might have not noticed. So the difference is like I give you an example. Then example, I'm gonna show you the difference. Tom and Anne stood in front of the mirror and looked at themselves. So here we are talking about two. One is Tom and the other is Anne. Stood in front of the mirror and looked at themselves. Now, Tom and Anne looked at Tom and Anne. That is what same. Both looked at each other. So Tom looked at Anne and looked at Tom. They looked at each other. मतलब एक दूसरे को they looked, एक दूसरे को देखा उन्होंने, है ना. But Tom looked at Anne and looked at Tom. So basically they looked at each other. So this is the difference between this. Earlier I said Tom and Anne stood in front of the mirror and looked at themselves. So themselves is what? उन्होंने खुद को देखा. If you guys go and stand in front of the mirror, take one person more with you, and once you see yourself, the other you guys see each other. That is, पहले वाले में टॉम और एन ने अपने आप को देखा और सेकंड वाले में एक दूसरे को देखा. So this is only the difference between selves and each other. That is themselves and each other. This is the only difference. Now you can use one another instead of each other. Right? One another can be used instead of using each other. So how? Let's see. How long have you and Bill known one another? If I say, how long have you and Bill known one another? Or known each other. You can also say this. Right? What I said. You can use one another instead of each other. Each other मतलब क्या? एक दूसरे को, है ना? एक दूसरे को कब से जानते हो? One another. एक जना दूसरे को कब से जानता है? That is what same. तो one another और जो each other है, guys, that is actually same and it can be used. So this is also a thing which you have to keep it in your mind. Let me show you the next example. Sue and Anne don't like each other. Right? Sue and Anne don't like each other. Now, this sentence could be made like Sue and Anne don't like one another. एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते हैं. And if I say Sue and Anne don't like each other, that is what it is. Same. वो एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते हैं. So this is how one another can be used instead of each other. Right. Now the next thing is you have to notice we also use myself, yourself in another way. For example, so let's see how this is very interesting, right? Who repaired your bicycle for you? Suppose I says, who repaired your bicycle for you? And the next person replies, nobody, I repaired it myself. So here I repaired it myself is what? Is what that I did, nobody else did for me. कि ये काम जो है मैंने ही किया है, मेरे लिए किसी और ने नहीं किया है. Right? Nobody did. Here myself is used to emphasize I. Basically myself says that the thing or the work is being done by me only. If I say I did it, तो मतलब क्या? मैंने करा है. Myself. The work is done by me. No, the work is done by myself. I have done it. So it basically emphasizes what? I. That is, I makes it stronger. Okay? So let's see some more examples related to this only. Like it's written over there. I'm not going to do it for you. You can do it yourself. You, not me. Right? So इस sentence ने हमको क्या बोला? I'm not going to do it for you. You can do it yourself. sometimes you might have heard teachers saying that nobody gonna do for you. You have to do it yourself. You're gonna do for yourself. So you might have heard these sentences that in Hindi also you might have heard तुम्हारे लिए कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा, अपने लिए तुम्हें stand खुद ही लेना पड़ेगा, or what, something like that. So basically this is same. Let's paint the house ourselves. It will be much cheaper. There are people who thinks that we should do our work by ourselves only, right? So let's paint the house ourselves. हमें खुद ही घर पेंट करना चाहिए. It will be cheaper. सस्ता पड़ेगा, है ना? Ourselves. This is what they are using, ourselves, because here we are talking about more than one, because one person cannot do. The film itself wasn't very good, but I liked the music. The film itself wasn't. See the sentence, see the words which are being used over here. The film wasn't very good itself, but I like the music. I didn't like the film, I like the music. Right. The next we have, I don't think Sue will get the job. Sue herself doesn't think she'll get it. भाई मुझे तो लगता नहीं है Sue को जॉब मिलेगा, बट उसको खुद को भी नहीं लगता कि उसको जॉब मिलेगा. This is what the sentence is trying to say. Or Sue doesn't think she'll get it herself. You can say this in this manner also. आप इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हो. Like, I don't think Sue will get the job. Sue herself doesn't think she'll get it. And this could be used like Sue doesn't think she'll get it herself. Okay? This could be used in both the ways. So this was all about myself, yourself and themselves. These were the uses. The correct use of myself, yourself and themselves. This is how we use these things. It was many things we have to keep it in our mind while using. Like, we do not have to say I'll pay for me, so you have to say I'll pay for myself. I do it for myself. You cannot say I'll do it for me. So these are the small things which make our English wrong. So we have to keep it in our mind, the correct usage, so that we'll not speak wrongly. So this is all for this video. It's been done. So thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like it. If you loved it, don't forget to share this. And subscribing a channel is totally on you guys, because if you want videos to be at your screen very first, so you should. And if you don't want, that's all on you. I put it on yourself. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.